Now it's time to embark on quite possibly one of the most anticipated trips of the year. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. We are on the Kahlua right now, slowly making our way up the Amazon River in search for undoubtedly one of my favorite freshwater fish species on Earth. This is where the journey kind of really starts to begin. One of those trips where it's like I could do with no sleep, I could do with the aches and pains of traveling, as long as it means that we're gonna be out here fishing in the most epic place on planet Earth.